Welcome to techystack channel. This channel will help you learn what is RPA, how and it is useful in real time. Today our topic is what is RPA, how it is useful in day-to-day life, what are the roles and responsibilities. Later that we'll see one demo project. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation, and it is a one type of technology which enables to automate the manual repetitive tasks. In the name itself, it does some automations which are in a specific process. In overall, it says that mimic of the human activities which performing in a computer. Where we can use RPA. RPA can be used in many sectors like IT industries, healthcare, finance, banking sector, and some other places also we can use this technology. Roles and responsibilities. We have multiple types of roles. Business analysis. His responsibility is to identify the process, whether it is able to automate or not. Once it's identified, he will create a one roadmap for that automation. The next one is RPA developers. RPA developers which develop the process and maintaining the documents. Project managers, they will lead the team. Quality assurance testers, they will test the automations which is done by the RPA developers. These roles may vary depends upon the organizations or team size. RPA tools. In market we have multiple tools such as UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Workfusion, Power Automate, and more tools are available. As per the business process, identify the tool and they are going to automate the repetitive tasks. In this session, we are going to see UiPath automation process and we'll try to learn how it works going sessions. Opening the UiPath Studio, and the case is in input file. I have a couple of Excel files. These Excel files should be consolidated into one Excel file. In data 1 I have some data and data 2 file having some other data. These two data should be in the output file with one Excel file. In output folder, as of now there is no files. Let me run the bot. So bot run has been completed and going to the output folder, and we can see the output file as the consolidated data.